your life. Yeah. If it's life, join me. And as you are joining me, please help me share this program. We must continue. We must continue. It's me, Wanda Ife, the truthful goddess. And I hate it. He said it as it's supposed to be. Who doesn't like it? That is their problem. And I'm against injustice. Against injustice, I am against it. No matter whoever is involved, if I found out that they are doing something against you, I will stand up for you. There's injustice against you, I will really stand up for you. That is what I believe. That is who I am. Join me, please, and share this program. Let me share. And then good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah. Now. My own location is afternoon, 1 o'clock. Perfect. Am I live? I believe so. I believe I'm live now. Yes, I'm live. Okay. Let me share this program and join me. They said if it doesn't have much people sharing or liking, I don't care. Do you think I care? Me, I don't care. I know that some of you guys went and created different accounts. So one person will post something, one person will post, and when these your gangsters post, when they share posts, because you have 5 accounts, you share it and you say it to us, hey, we are getting much more viewers, we are getting people sharing, and we know what is going on. We know what is happening. You guys are there who are saying, you guys are ndị okwu asị na-ejighị eziokwu. So one person, look at the people I'm blocking. I block them. When I block them, and I block them, Facebook will now say, look, I told you. When I block them, see what they are saying. I block this one. I'm because I'm blocking them. I block this one profile. Blocks are, you block this person. Look, I block this person. Block are profile specific and apply individually. This block won't apply to Ndubisi and his other profiles, but we limit some of the way he can interact with you from his other profiles. Can you listen? They have different accounts. These gangsters, these touts of Ndi, that they created account and telling them to come after us and be attacking us. That when we make a post, they will come and be calling us names. I say to them, and I know they even tire me. Now, you guys calling me, no, it doesn't make sense. Here, if you call me Ashawo, I agree now. I've said your mama too, Nashawo, your sister, Ashawo, everybody in your family, all of us, Nashawo. So what are you talking about? And you too, you're a man, you are patronizing us, Ashawo. What else? What else are you going to call us? That's all you want to bring evidence of the person being Ashawo you don't have. Because this is how you go about fabricating lies. Because you have, I scored you guys F9 with fabricating lies, blackmailing people. That is what you are good at. F9, do your job. That is what you guys are good at. Look at it. That's how they go about fabricate, posting, having how many accounts coming out to be saying they are sharing. People are sharing their posts. I saw that one called us Chika saying to Acid the Hot, say he look at the post he made this morning. He say good morning, and then good morning Biafra, and Acid the Hot also say good morning Biafra. And then he was not deceiving his followers, all these fake accounts. He said, look, it's only one person that is how many likes and share for Acid the Hot own, and how many likes and share as his own. Look at them, look at the accounts. They created different accounts. Look at it. They created different accounts. When you block them, they come up with another account. When you block them, this is it. This is evidence. You see the evidence? Because I'm blocking them. As I'm blocking them, because they can't come out to give a constructive comment. All they come out to call you is to talking rubbish, and then I have to be blocking all of them. I don't take nonsense from anybody. So what am I saying? I am here again. As long as they're abusing our leader, they will not drink water and rest. Mazi said to us, shield your shade. Just shield your shade. We said, no problem. We don't want any. Let them be doing their own and leave you alone. But as long as they say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, my formidable leader, my formidable leader from Nanya, after me Nanya, I don't find trouble. My energy, you know, they give me more energy. As now they talk, self now. So if I'm off like this, and I don't enter Wahala. Once I'm off, I'm no until na pussy ikpo our leader no. Maybe the underground work cook back it on cook for how many more years? Cook make I continue to the cook that akide. As long as you guys continue to be saying all manner of things against this man, our leader, our trusted leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is in prison. I told you guys last time that I have worked in Nigerian prison. I showed you my picture before. That I know that what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going through is not easy for him. But that evil, that ugly woman with her ugly woman organization in Igbo says Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is enjoying, he's having fun in the prison. And that one pissed me off. No Igbo man now. Look at if I will play the voice, I'm coming because I'll see the hot is not on YouTube, and they also Metu is not on YouTube. So that's why I would like to play, because I'm on YouTube. People on YouTube are watching and listening and getting those that are not on Facebook, so that they will know what is happening. As Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is an exceptional Igbo man. If an Hausa man, a Fulani man can confirm, even you trust our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the way he even abused that one, he called him midget. You know, Mazi no dey fear anybody. He called that one see na exceptional man like Igbo man, a midget. You know, my course on atu hegumba. He does not afraid of anybody. Say it the way it's supposed to be. Say it, and that is the truth. Because that one has done a lot of evil in Nigeria. So Mazi, if that one can call Mazi and say he's an exceptional Igbo man, who are you, Ndi Tout? Who are you, this miscreant? I'll be calling you guys miscreant because that is what you are. I am not a miscreant. Some of us are not a miscreant. That time they call us miscreant, I was getting upset. But now I found out true that we have a lot of miscreants in our midst. Tout, morons in our midst that doesn't have common sense. That if they deceive them and tell them DOS is wise. Yeah, we agree. POS are wise. We agree they are wise in betrayal. They are wise in betraying their own. They are wise in being a mole. They are wise being a Nigeria agent. That is their wiseness. They are wise. We agree. I now agree with you. They are wise in betrayal. They are wise in being a Nigeria agent, because that is what they are. They come into their moles in our midst to come and destroy. They are wise in getting lies. They are wise in telling you all to help Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are wise in doing that. That is where I agree with their wise. Their wiseness is to destroy, not for good. So you tell me they are wise. I hear you. They are wise. Those are wise. Okay, now exceptional Igbo man, you guys want to destroy. Exceptional Igbo man, the man IJT on the one IJ no. The man na-asị ndị Igbo nwekwana onye na-defend ha n'ụwa nke a. Ndị Igbo enwe na-ekwuru ha. Igbo shall now have somebody that speak on their behalf, that stand and say it must be like this. If it's not like this, no go area. All I want is my people to be free. But these evil souls, ndị ojo, heartless human being, ndị moles that came and said they want to destroy. And that man, that evil, that faceless one, that one that is barking like a barking dog on Radio Biafra, which they said you guys should come and be listening. I'm sorry for you. Don't go and listen to that thing. Don't go and listen to any Radio Biafra. They are corrupted it. If you are listening to this, you are corrupting your soul. You are corrupting yourself. The best thing is to avoid not to listen to it. Don't listen to it. And the best also for you is not to. Sometimes it's good for some people go about and know what people are saying. But me, I don't go. It's when when they share what they are saying, I say, hey, is this what this one say? Except that Chika also, I'm still following him, because I will see bombarding him when he make a post. I will go there and tell him it will go and say, I thought you are a nice person. I thought you are from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I never know you are among the moles. I never know you are among the betrayers. Chika Austin. That one, I'm still following that one. I'm still following that one. Because I was thinking that time that we are all like, I was thinking that guy has something here. I never know he has a bitter heart. He's among them, all of them that hated the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's among them that hated the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Only God knows, because any one of them that is supporting these evil people, because they are birds of the same feather, they are the same. They are the same. They have the same hatred in them towards our leader, Mazi. Organic Omeron. Some of you are saying he went to. I will play that voice, but I'm coming. The one that say he went to Kenya. Look at somebody that can paid. You paid 350 euro. That you are asking for the money back, and now you have money to travel to Kenya. That one called Biafra child. Yeah, he reasons like a child. But his name already say his name says it. He reasons like a child because an adult and somebody, a matured man, somebody might hear can the way he talks, the way he say things, the way what comes out from his mouth, you know that this person. I'm sorry for the wife. Some of you married. I am very very sorry. Sorry for your wife. That's why some of you marry people like us. Why reason? I saw na card home and card home why in control. But no, but sometimes the way you guys think, the way you guys say something, make common sense. Self marry small children in Dutch, the reason of macaron one. So let me play as the hot for the sake of those on Facebook. Then I will play the ones and I will analyze the one that's one. One of our brothers says they are going to refund their money back. Money you paid as a charity. Charity money you gave. This is charity money. You gave money as a charity. Instead of you to forfeit it because go on a wound, no Germany. Some of them are living abroad, they don't have a good job. They can't even they are living, they don't have a good job. I say, go and upskill yourself, go and do some education, get qualification to get a good job. They don't want to do it. Some of them don't want to do it. So they are living on shop. Some of in Ireland here, if you don't have much money, that's what some of them are doing. They will go there and collect food, money, free food. If not, tell me why a grown-up man is not Germany that he has something he's well to do. We pay 350 euro. That myself that is how much like have because they will remove your man 350 euro. You can just go and before you know it, you just dash it. You just buy clothes or buy shoe or buy whatever. The money is gone. That is what you're asking back. Shameful people in the name of here. Did Mazi force any one of you to give them? And you didn't force nobody. You just like now the charity. I can give money to charity. Nobody forced me to do it. It's a charity work. It's something I did for charity. But he came out and started saying he wants his 350 euro back. He started talking about the Mazi and Kanu, and then he's lying. He said because of Mazi and Kanu brothers. Mazi and Kanu brother did not take him to court. It was he caused why they went to court because he was abusing Mazi and Kanu mother. Who does a thing like that? How can you even go to somebody's profile, Mazi and Kanu mother, that him and all now this guy because of this Biafra struggle? This man you went to the to Kanuta program and you started calling Kanuta Kanu mom's name. That woman will haunt you for saying such a thing against her. The one they call Biafra child. You went there and started saying evil against the woman that died. And the woman that died, you went there and started saying something about her. So they took you to court to come and prove to them. That's where his anger. And when he was on a way, it was him that caused the problem. You can't go to somebody's platform and start abusing somebody's mom and start telling that person is not the mother, is not the same, is not a brother to Mazi and Kanu. You don't know anything. No, you guys are very good at fabricating lies. Lying. What kind of people, what kind of freedom are you guys fighting? Are you guys fighting for freedom? Are you guys destroying people's character, people's image, everything? Now the same thing you did to some of us, you are now doing to the man you call your leader. The same thing you did to some of us, you bring our story out to talk rubbish, lie. You are not doing it to a man that you said you are calling Onyendu. Are you guys normal? No. Mazi and Kanu is an exceptional Igbo man. Exceptional Igbo man that love his people. Without him, the Igbo people will still be like the people in Middle Belt. Without Mazi and Kanu, our people will be like people in northern part of Nigeria today. They will be in the camps. They'll be in refugee camps today. They will be there. But our people are still in their houses because of what the man saw tomorrow. He has a vision. He saw it. He said, if we did not do something, he went to America. He was telling them, he was telling them, let us support our people. Let us give me arms. Give me this one. They now went and said, Mazi is calling for war. He said, we need it so that our land will be safe and secure. They say Mazi is calling for war. They come against him. They come against him. If not his foresight, and still he still love his people. I don't know a man like, I have never seen a man that love his people like this. He still love his people, even though you guys did all those things, tell all lies against. He still love his people. He still went ahead and then do something about ESN, establish ESN to protect our mothers in the farm, to protect our farmland that the Fulanis are coming and raping our people. He went ahead and did such. But today, the same people that are calling him Onyendu are the same people malicious, the same people tarnishing his image, the same people saying all evil against him. And you tell me that these people, they have a good heart. You tell me that these people want not to be stoned. That what you put a two see and have home matter. You could take at the might you have put a tubu have to go and have home Igbo, have Ndi Igbo can have home Igbo cannot do a thing like that. Ndi Igbo achikote kwon, nde blood miss blood. I keep telling you that. You can believe me or not. Ndabo miss blood of many people. They are not, they will call them, because during the war, not only during the war, our women slept with all this, every other tribe. Our women slept with them because hungry. We want to sleep with you, we'll give you food, or so go ahead, sleep with me and take food and eat. And then they produce all this morons. It's not happening. They want to fight for freedom, and some of them are saying they want to unlife our leader. Are they? You think an Igbo man would like to unlife Mazi? No. No Igbo man, no genuine Igbo man will do such. Let me bring this and play so that you guys will listen. Those on YouTube, that doesn't listen to that, because some of our brothers, they are not on YouTube. Where is it? Na-achọ n'okwu ebe Maazị na-aga n'ụlọ dọrọ okwu unu ekoyi n'okwu ifi mgbe unu na-eme nke Simon Ekpa hapụrụ m unu ka Simon Ekpa megidere m asị m unu mebe unu na ya mebe ebe a gbasa ha mana nke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu unu ekoyi n'okwu anyị unu korukwa koye m na ya. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is not untouchable ebe nọ no dia go dia nanụ. But Simon MNK, Simon, here in the this you are doing now, it will land this somewhere. You're not gonna, as you offended me, Simon Eba, you're going nowhere. And so I tell him, I said, Simon Eba, you offended me. I didn't do you guys anything. I only say you guys do things that's supposed to be done. Nothing else. They came against, they started calling me in the same sense. I said, okay now. Simon was really nice though. The later, Azuka was pushing Simon to come against me, and he did. And I said, okay, Ijebra. Troublemaker. But now they do us, don't enter my trouble. Let's do us with gangster, because the US member are hiding somewhere, sending their gangster to be attacking the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But we are here. Yeah, we are here for our leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never offended me. I love him so much. Yeah, even when he was broadcasting one time he was broadcasting. I now say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He went then, he was calling, you know the way he broadcast and got angry. I started calling people name. I started getting, and I said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I wrote when he was broadcasting. He now saw it and say, if you will be okay, I've heard you. I said Mazi, because you know why I'm not going to you promise that you will slow down. That time he promised. I said he will stop. He will not be abusing them. Or say, if you will be I've heard you, I will slow down. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu call my name. If you don't know, make una know. I love him for being my leader too. That want our people to be free. Because me, I want freedom for my people. When I'm here in Europe, I see how people are enjoying life. Why can't our people enjoy? Why will my people be suffering? Whereas we have enough, we have plenty, we have so much that we can. Our people that will make our people life to make life much better for them. Yeah. That is the vision of this man. He's a visionary. He wants our people to enjoy this life. How can our people be suffering? Whereas we have so much. That is all his offense. So then in the join here. The moles, we now have moles among us. the agent of Nigeria. Then you don't know that they're agent. You think that they're here for our freedom. You don't know they're agent of Nigeria, because Nigeria can lobby. They can buy them any amount they want. It will give it to them. Let me play that one, my people. Let me play it. You go. Where is it? Where is that? I will not start from the beginning. There's where I want to start. Where they invited that our brother, our lawyer, barrister. That's where I will start, so that you guys will listen.
The number is busy.
Okay.
Want to put himself on the line. But instead of someone
yes.
Pastor, you heard that the number of pages of case files filed is about 1,000.
No. Sorry.
And then fine, God bless you. I see the thing when it happened. Congratulations.
Now start here. Those on YouTube, listen.
Thank you. So, Barrister, help me also. There are two questions that are very, very important to us, because for a while, a lot of people have been inboxing me, asking me questions. What about the appeal court case of Manson? What is happening? What is happening? Where are we? Have we been entered? And what have you? So, and me, I don't answer things I don't know. That is one thing that people that knows me in this struggle know. If I don't know, I will tell you I don't know. So, and they have disturbed me. I said, no, let me bring Barrister Maxwell Opara to answer us this question and to give us updates, because we are very, very hungry to know about our great leader, to know how he's faring, to know what is happening within his case, what is the situation of the appeal. And thank God you said that today you people have finalized the entry of the case. So can you please throw more light to the case first before we go to Mazen and Kano's health situation? What is happening about the appeal court?
We have found our notice of appeal. So then we allow the record has been transmitted. We have the appeal number. So we discovered that there are some documents that the Court of Appeal did not transmit to us. So we draw the attention to it. So they have to combine it. They have to combine it, and we call it additional record. So all the records was explained on the news about over 1,000 pages. So we have compiled everything to certify everything. You know, the thing is, it has a lot of procedure after one after the other. So the number is that everything was the additional record was moved. All of them were moved into Court of Appeal today. So from federal high court. So the next thing now is for us to prepare our appellant brief. We will file our appellant brief, serve them, probably federal government will now find out something serve us. We file our reply, DCNA, serve them, the thought to give us date for the hearing. We hear the matter and we will wait for judgment. So that I'm very, very optimistic that but we are in our side. Only will definitely tell us to let me just say critical issue.
You say?
I don't want to say in 2 words, I don't want to say, but I don't say critical issue.
You say?
So on its own side, it's kind of person, he's not even interested in coming out or not coming out. What he's interested in the struggle, the benefit. So everybody doing and what to be listening. So that's what it's about that. So we're making progress anyway. That is a long story.
Okay, thank you very, very much. Pastor, you heard that the number of pages of case files filed is about 1,000. Hey, on your job. And over 1,000. And somebody who is doing nothing is somewhere insulting the men that are doing this great job.
Because that would not be your job.
Anyways,
I don't know whether you noticed this. It was there in the Bible. If you watch Solomon, wanted to educate on the matter. The owner of that matter, the owner of the
child. Yes.
Let the child be close.
Yes.
At the end of the day, the child will know who is the mother.
That's correct.
The one is not the mother. The owner, not the mother.
Yes. To defend the baby.
A Biafran song. A real Biafran song. I'm not talking about those ones.
No.
Some persons
blood means blood.
And they started the children because they can speak Igbo.
Go to the
a real Biafran person who has the Biafran blood in him will not even attack.
Did you hear that? A real Biafran blood. Ezigbo nwa afọ Igbo. Nwa afọ. What is this one? Ezigbo nwa afọ Igbo, real Biafran blood will not even attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Will not dare do that. But those that are attacking him are the double blood, miss, you know. The mama ha totally me ha. Even there are some women that in here they were married, or they will still go about. So many of them is happening now. They will still go about and be sleeping with married women. And some of them that are not saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went out and started sleep, and it's the Mazi who had a woman in Kenya. Okay, now I ask you, it's not wine. You say it's a woman. You say it's a lady. Did Mazi sleep with a married woman? Did Mazi sleep with married women? But he did not. Did he sleep with married woman? The country don't know. Did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have an affair with a married woman? What is your problem? Some of you are there sleeping with married women. Some of you are there. If you are no why you want to bed you now, I shake you now. Some of you not there now. Some of you not there now. If you see a married woman now, you go after that married, because I know what some of you are coming to me say. I like you, you're a beautiful woman. I tell you, I say, what concern me being a beautiful woman? Concern you? Yes, I heard you. I say, for what? Don't you know that somebody is married? Even if I'm not married, I'm not stupid. I can't be sleeping around anyhow. Some of you are doing it, but you guys are not pretending to be sent. Sent. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a saint. Somebody now say that one Biafran child that reason like a child, call himself Biafran child. He said he's a child now. He says, Mazi Nnamdi, they don't believe if you're a leader leading an organization, you go and this. What can they lead the organization? So what can they lead the organization? Only my them wine that staff with her. I ain't wine, okay, Madina, okay, Madina, now, or never me and organic or buhojo. Why in our staff with dear? In our staff, your husband. What do you expect? You are starving your husband. For me, making her in here. I'm going to the henny, make you know, put it up as a giveaway. You make you near, just near, just near Piacopon house for that. No boy, I fought to you need not close the eyes, give, we are with them. No, Maggie, me ask her, you say, I fought, you don't give me. Or guinea me. On our mind, I got through. So now what I say, sent in the booty, you never sent. You all are sent now. Mazi is now not a cent. Let me continue play. Oh, yeah, cause guinea fee. Personally, me, I believe that Mazi does not have a lawyer. Where was the lawyer when they? Hey, my dear John, now YouTube. So you don't know that Nigerian government can't let your leader go like that. So you don't even think, you don't even have common sense. The people that went to Kenya spend how much billions to abduct him from Kenya. People that went to Kenya spend how much billions. You are not telling me, hey, Chineke, now what kind of people is this? So what about Nelson Mandela that they sentenced? What about other people that we are agitating for freedom that they sentenced? So are you telling me that because of the lawyer, those who didn't have a good lawyers that they defended them? Let's just take an instance, because you are not telling me that American lawyers are not good. Those people that have those lawyers, why did they sentence them? Why did they send them to prison? You see the kind of people you guys are. See the kind of freedom fighters we have. See, the fight freedom. This kind of question you ask me is like sometimes I don't even know whether my brain on I walk with the. You're asking me, you're saying if you personally me, I believe that Mazi does not have a lawyer. Where was the lawyer when the prison Mazi? Nigerian Mazi was standing at the court, and Nigerian court, I was telling them, and was telling Nigerian government that now this law they are using to sentence him is not on their, it's not there, it's not written law, it's not a written law. And you know that Nigeria as a country is a corrupt one, that is 101 corrupt with them and the government. So you want to tell me that Nigeria, assuming they follow their due process and follow their law, Mazi will not be sentenced. You know, common sense. Assuming Nigeria follow the due process as in the country, if not because they don't want him to be speaking. They want him to be at the prison so that nobody will hear his voice. Because the more he speaks, the more the international community is exposing the secret of Nigeria. He's exposing Nigeria. Once he spoke already, look at Nigeria as a country. Now, because not gonna just get more smart. That's why you guys will come out and be shouting, lawyers is the problem. Muslim brothers is the problem. But I was sitting down and said, this cannot be the problem, because Nigeria, as it stands, they are the worst, and they are the corrupt, the 101 corrupt. Nigeria judiciary is corrupt. Everything about Nigeria is corrupt. What kind of people are you that you are telling me is because they are lawyer? The lawyer tried their best. The lawyer, they tried their best. It's not the lawyer. Mazi was standing there at the court telling the man, Omoto, show me the law that you are using to sentence me. Hey, in the bar, you can't common sense. To fear, because can play a good in here. Hey.
Barrister, repeat what you said. You said they will not even attack and your voice cut off. Can you repeat what you said? Rephrase, please.
The point I'm making is that you are having problem with your brother, and there is a fight, external fight.
Yes.
From outside to the family. What are people supposed to do? If they are real brother, people have to come together. People will come together.
Yes.
Their brother and their fighting. People come together. Even when your brother is not doing well, and when you are not doing well, people will just cover each person and make sure that you fight that external force
enemy
that's coming to attack you people.
Oh.
When people must have broken down, when people must have broken past the distance, you can now, whatever internal problems you people have, you can now look for a way to resolve it. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
No main person will take the family problem out, or to take the family issue out.
Nah, it happen though. Some men are like that these days. Some men, gossiping, that's what they are. Some husbands are like that. You think say no, all men are men. You think say no, okay, putun, honey, ne putun, have okay. Some men are like that too. Once they have a family problem, everybody in the whole world will hear it. Everybody will hear it. They will call everybody and tell them about you. That is the problem. It's not all men. If you marry them, you say everything. If there's anything, little thing that happened between husband and wife, the whole world will hear it. The whole world hear. Even they will come on Facebook and post it. You don't even know. You don't even know that not all men are men. Forget. So that is the same thing. The same character. Most of them are in this struggle. Those people, those men that behave like that, they are in this struggle. People like a chicken, people like Chinas and Mole, were evil. People like that one that tell us that our leader. Look at, I will show you what that one posted, and I went and I make a post. Look at people like that. This kind of people, they are more in our midst. They are double legends. They are paid them. They are paid them. How to go. This time around, you guys, this thing that happened have opened our eyes, open you guys' eyes for you to see that the people that call themselves, that they're nominated, that they are appointed to be a member of DOS, that they are destroyers, that they are deceivers, that they are betrayers, they are moles. These people, they are moles. You guys are seeing it. It's happening. Because you can't tell me that they are not moles, they allow whatever. They said they want to Kenya to go and investigate. People said they said they went to Kenya to go and investigate what so that they have gone there, fabricate one lies, because they are very good at lying. Very, very good at lying. If they can lie, if they haven't lied on you, you will not believe that. You believe what they are telling you, saying outside. I am telling you. If they have not used you to lie, you will believe what they are saying, that what they are saying is 100% correct. You will know that these people are pure liars. They got, their pass mark is F9 for lying. F9 for fabricating lies. That is their pass mark. So tell me, so they decided to go to Kenya, to go and investigate what the so-called, the person they say they love, the person they are calling Onyendu, our leader, the person, they decided to go to investigate because they want to show you all, because Nigerian government started saying it that time. We did not care whatever they are saying. Our leader is wearing Fendi. Our leader is, yes, he deserves to wear Fendi. Why wouldn't he wear it? If Mazi is not agitating for Biafran freedom, can't he go and buy Fendi? If he's living in abroad, working in a good job, he can afford it. So what are you guys talking about? Build a house, got a house. If Mazi is not agitating for Biafra freedom, some people have how many houses in Nigeria? Some of us we are working in a good place. They pay you well. I trust Nigeria money when you do exchange, or African money when you do exchange rate is money everywhere. And if they pay you 3,000 euro a month or more than that, or 4,000, if you take out 1,000 or 2,000, you use the other rest to pay your bill and do other things, you can afford to build a good house, a good mansion. If you are living in abroad and you have a good job, you are not in the Salomon, they can't even go and upgrade themselves, do some skills, get some education, and get a good job so that they can be able to take care of themselves. No, what they are good at is looking for the IPOP money that people are contributing. Even what am I, even to go and learn a skill, even to do Taizé. If you are a Taizé person in Ireland here, they get a lot of, they're self-employed, they are doing well. But some of them, they don't want to. They don't want to engage in any education. They don't want to go and improve themselves so that they can do something for themselves. But what their eyes are into is money. So once they have entered there and they made them coordinators and made them to be whatever, they are taking it. That is why Chinas and one evil went, the mold in our midst went and took money that is made for IPOP, Asian money that they contributed. And the Mazi said to him, return the money back. He returned it, and then maybe, I don't know. I mean, I'm saying my own. You can't return. You can't have somebody like that took money first time. That is a red light. Never to you. Never trust such a person again. Okay, see. Now, they didn't even want to wait for him to come out. All their mission is that he's going to remain there forever. He's not going to come out. They are waiting for him. They have been waiting. All this is they're telling you, we shouldn't have appealed. You shouldn't have appealed. Why did he have to appeal? Oh, I'm hot here. That ugly woman. So what am I saying? So what am I saying? It's a good quiz. It's a better than I'm why now. Hey, why can't go because can't be if I go to the here, go to the who be wine, yeah, go to the moon, yeah. Can go to moon who be wine. Look, I show now be face before I continue this. Before I continue. Why you can't even turn a woman around, can't even turn a man around. I'm going to sit on okay. Now, yeah, the queen who be, and I feel who why. Okay, why, yeah, I'm about to work against this. In the child, I'm about to get turn okay, you work a kuru. Why, yeah, and you work on you, work or you don't work or yakuru. You know who had like this, or don't work or yakuru, can job man out. Don't work at the happen. Because child anya call this biko why you guys don't why you born why aya coach we put away na sort of so on na akpari our leader put na sort of so on about my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu I for n'anya ko na si no ya mem why group on the bidiki ya ihu ndị bidiki ya no ko ga make group no local champion like her local champion dị ka Nneka Chimezie ndị ugly woman association group will have to be against Mazi. No reasonable Igbo woman Gapụta because anyị ma ihe nwoke a mere ndị Igbo. He saved us from going to the camps. He saved our people, which in those many other people are saying and are praising him. I wish they have a man like him. I wish they have somebody like him that can protect them. Sunday Igbo, back on Obafuna, Obatana join the APC. He's not there for his people. He's there because of the money. But this man, Mazen Nandakan, our formidable leader, a man that Chukwu Abiyama sent for his people whom we West no yakuni we me handle now all of them are near because they are not good near Mazen Nandakan. They are not try it at all. He has a good heart. Assuming the Maz does not have a good heart, Mazi Mana Mazi Urobioma of Rumibunanya. And I we are incarnation. I reconnected back. You don't know who reconnected back to us. You don't know what we people went through before we came back here. And you think Mazi is the one you can do anyhow. You are in trouble. Don't ever try it. Don't ever try it because I need to know, but that's not going to do anything. Una ka isi apụta n'ihu Chukwu ka Abịama. Unu agbara m ụmụ nwanyị. Unu mara ihe unu eji na-akpọ ha n'ihu kpọba na Chukwu ka ha ga-ata afụfụ. They will all suffer because they don't want our people to be free. How can Nigeria government be fighting him and you guys come and join? Because he told you guys you're not doing the right thing. You said you don't want to obey him. Who are you, Onyekebo? Do you have what it takes to fight this freedom? Did you call any of us to come and join? Did you even convince not even one person to join? It was him because we heard his voice. We heard his voice. He was speaking up for years. He was saying, "These are what I want for my people." He was on his own saying all this long time. And people were calling him names. We are saying, "Hey, you want to be like Wazirike that will come and scam our people now, and tomorrow they will pay him money and he will go inside." Who is this man himself? Until we begin to see, we continue to be listening to him. He was consistent. He was arrested. He came out. Arrested. He came out. The same thing he was saying. Who are you, Onyekebo? Have you suffered for once? That all you do is to come out and be saying 100 men should go and meet him in the prison. Who are you? Do you know? Do you have anything? Were you called? No. All you need from you is a backup. All he need from you is encouragement. All he needs from you is to help him. He's a visionary. Help him to succeed. Simba, Ifajuna, spirit of Ifajuna, the same evil spirit that possesses Ifajuna, and some of the people that makes Ojukwu to say, "We lost the war. You want to come again." But this time around, we are not going to give you guys chance. It's not going to happen. We want freedom for our people. They are suffering enough. They have suffered enough. That one, Well, I said, well, I don't want to say. I want to wait for Mazen's wife tomorrow. Let me listen to what she has to say. I don't want to go that side. Look at her. This one telling our leader that's not gonna fight here. It's whatever I said you will do. Who are you, Onyekebo? If you are commanding your husband, you don't come and command our leader. You haven't suffered. Your husband haven't suffered. If at all you are married or single, I don't care. A single person can talk. A married woman can talk. That is not my business. But you dare not give order. You dare not tell Mazi what to do. You are not the one in there telling us our leader is enjoying in prison. Have you been to the prison and enjoyed for one day? Why has Nigerian government not arrested you? Why are you still there gallivanting and talking rubbish? And Nigerian government cannot leave you. If you are really treading on their toe, they will arrest you. Why are you being arrested? Why are you still living there? Because you're a double agent. Double agent, that is what you are. People will not see you, who you are. They contracted you to come and make him bad. Let our leader be fed. Let him not feel that. Let us hate him. Fail you. Let me continue to play that our lawyer. Continue.
This man, I want to say this, I want to get on record. Any Igbo person who wake up and you don't remember Nabikali in prayer. You never remember Nabikali. You never do this. Somebody will never do this.
He said,
Amen. to come and start talking about the position. To come and start that you are here. In fact, if you can come out, their own problem will be solved because they want you. Everybody wants you. He said, yes, I know that they want you, but
what happened? Network. No, they won't let it come out though, because all their plans is that Mazi will be. They have sentenced him, and for that he will remain there. So let us now destroy everything he built. Let us now make our people to start hating him because he's in prison. Let us now make our people to abandon him there. Let us now make our people, and that's why they started instigating evil. Started fabricating lies. According to them, they are going to Kenya to go and investigate something they could not done since when. They did it now because, and they are telling you that's why they are saying because this judge acquitted. This judge acquitted, he should have stayed in DSS. He shouldn't have go for another Supreme Court, whatever. He shouldn't have even done it. He should have stayed in DSS. That is where DSS, where he cannot get anybody to talk to him, nobody to communicate, nobody to come and visit him, because it's not allowed for people to come in there, not like as he's now in the prison. You can go and visit him. That's why they wanted him to remain silent. That's why they are not happy, because they don't want these lawyers to fight for continuance of this case. Why did the lawyer fight for continuation of this case? The lawyer shouldn't have done it. The lawyer should have left this case the way it is, because that one called Carol White, that one that gossip like a man, that a woman, a market woman, is going about is getting hatred, and whatever Mazi said to him, he will come and tell his gangster, the people about then they will not say, they continue to be hating him, they continue to be angry with him. So that's why, because China Samuel, evil man, told you guys that one will come and tell them, Mazi did that, Mazi did that. That is what they want. They don't want another lawyer. Now Mazi and Kanu now decided to change that evil man, and all hell break loose. They hated the new lawyers. They started calling them names. These lawyers are wicked. These lawyers are not the best lawyer. These lawyers are working with the Mazi and Kanu lawyer. They are brothers. These lawyers are lawyers that doesn't want Mazi come out, but they are the one that does not want a leader out. But when you put one and one together, when you know they are the one that doesn't want him to come out. So tell me, why will you be fighting your leader? Because now, as it is now, you guys have seen it. They are the one that doesn't want to come out. If they really want him to come out, all this nonsense investigation, according to them, they went to Kenya to go and investigate. They will go and find out, because he did not tell them. He did not tell them that he was going to Kenya. So they are now putting their blame on them. They are now putting the blame that they are the one that knows what happened to him. Are you not the one that knows? Are you not the moles in our midst? Are you not the mole? That how did China someone evil knew that $9 million was paid? Tell me, how did he get to know that? Who is that leader among you that they collected $500,000 that the Nigerian government, Dave Umaya, say he's going to pay him for one of the leadership? Who is the person? That's why they are there. They are watching and seeing the way these gangsters, the people that they're sending, they are the one sending them to go and they're attacking the Mazi and the Kanu. They knew all about it. They are the one instigating it. They don't want to come out. But you know, someone evil came out recently. I will start telling you, there's something he tweeted recently. I saw the post, they share it. I told you I don't follow them because I don't want to follow them. They don't want me following. Their spirit is evil. I don't follow them. When people that follow them share what they share, I will see it. That one, look at what that one posted. Let me bring it up. That one posted this. I'm going to be playing what that, don't worry, I'm coming. Where is it? I have the screenshot. What is it again? Oh, come on. Yeah, I have it. Now look at what that one posted. I don't want to read. I can read. I'm truly happy that DOS doesn't jump on everything they found on social media to claim it as their own, even if they know everything about that subject. They know. The presence of DOS says a lot. We cannot continue to pursue a route that has repeatedly failed, a faction that has produced no progress. for the Biafran struggle apart from noise and deceitful? Who are doing the noise and deceitful? You, Chinas and Evil. You and your cabals, your moles in our midst, evil souls people that came to destroy. Biafran struggle apart from those and deceitful agreements. Agreement under the gaze of Biafra is coming tomorrow. That is it now. Under the gaze of Biafra is coming tomorrow. That is one of that. Is it not what you are instigating? You are telling your people now. We want to shift the struggle away from Mazin and the Kano, and we are going to give you Biafra. Destroyer. Biafra. Or says any noise making observed on social media does not influence the leadership. However, if you look deeper, it's merely a means of seek social media fame and suggests that on acclaim Big Daddy will grant you Biafra tomorrow. The same Big Daddy, you don't even want to engage with any Big Daddy. Do you want to engage with Big Daddies? At least try your best to engage with them and let them say no, they won't give you. Have you engaged with them? No, you don't. You don't have what it takes to engage with Big Daddies. If you have what it takes, you could have been engaging with Big Daddies, but you don't have it. You don't have it at all. You don't know where to start from engage with Big Daddies. The only person that know how to engage it with Big Daddies is Mazin and not you. You don't have it. It's not in you. All you do is to go at the back and be instigating hatred and then be collecting whatever the Nigeria you know fight. Ego. Ego. Now you say little do many realize this statement, this one, mark it and tell me who is it, this faceless human being, coward is referring to. If it's not a coward, come and show us your face. As we are showing our face and talking about Nigeria, show us your own face. You're a coward. That is what you are, a coward man, barking like a bad dog on social media, covering face, not able to show face, shameful man. And you are here doing math for our leader. Come and show your face. Let's see if you're a man. Igbo coward. Where Igbo? Because a man cannot be on Facebook covering face and be talking rubbish. Little do many realize that the individual you see as your liberator. Mark this statement. Who is this Anofia? Who is this mole? Who is this evil soul, Obiojo, evil heartless human being? Who is he referring to? He's saying to little do many realize that the individual. Little do many realize. Mark this. I'm going with common sense. A man you want to refer to that. But I say, I can't. Why are you in our team? Because we know that it's you. You know you. Okay, you not read before. You know you know a coward. Be a man, my dear. Say it as a man. If you're a man, say it. Or not say, little do many realize that the individual you see as your liberator, individual. Who is the individual? Who is this man, this mad dog referring to? Who is he referring to? A coward that cannot show his face. Little did you know that a liberator is actually your oppressor. Who is he referring to? A liberator is an oppressor. Onye kachina samwa evil na corona wa that is our oppressor. Mazin and Kano. Are you Igbo mother Igbo? China Samoru, Igbo aunt, never Mazin and Kano to us. And I know Aunt Kibu. It's aunt itself. I get Aunt Kibu because you're a destroyer. You are evil. You're a killer. You're an evil heart man. Mazikena say he's an oppressor. A man that has shown us love, that have shown Igbo love, that went and created ESN that you guys even destroyed. We are also part of the people that destroy ESN. But at least he tried. He did his best to safeguard his people from Fulanis, from Boko Haram. They came and they were saying we could not penetrate because of ESN. They said it. We could not do whatever we are coming here to do because of ESN. When ESN was ESN, that you guys went and destroyed because you are honorable agents, evil souls people. Tell me, who are you referring as an oppressor? And no fear. Let me continue to play this. I want to finish this play because I'm going to go to my head. Yeah, network.
Barrister, your network. Your network. Your network is fluctuating. Yes, I can hear you now. Continue.
I said, let us not lose focus.
Okay.
These people, federal government has spent the money so that they will go to social media back data to be attacking this law, so that to be discovered. We know the targets now, so I know that they continue to attack us, will be forced to pull out so that everyone will suffer. I think that they don't know that to know that if you want anyway, anybody who want to support President or who want to talk about President,
they're fine.
They will attack the person.
Exactly. That is what they are good at.
So federal government has paid them, and we know their way. But they start to understand that we are working ahead of them. Are you understand?
That's what they're doing.
Only two will come out. Only two will come out.
You say?
You will come out. You will live to see Biafra.
You say?
Alright. So nobody should be able to go and those who are attacking. My dear brother, all the time about Kahana, everything goes so focused. So they cannot. I don't even need it.
That is it.
Some of them, like my children and my wife, some of them they read and they said, "This way, it don't tell me." I don't read it. So why should we be reading something and it just excited? Somebody who has read, who has seen it all, and then we now did it. Somebody managed to get in the capital of 200 there. It's better when Michelle wanted to come and read. Where I've written 5 books. I have another 4 books we are working on now.
On that go, they are hungry men are hungry men. That's why somebody's asking, I want my 350 euro back. 300 go. You go for them working for many years. Allah to adjust only 350 euro in Biafra struggle, and he's there asking it because he say Mazen Nandekanu is wearing cloth. He bought a house. He did that one. Who knows if those houses are real? Possibility they have went there fake it and tell somebody, because these people are liars. And when Mazi did not buy any house in Kenya, and even if he did, Mazi did not. I put it to them that those houses they are talking about, they fake it. Because what they cannot do does not exist. These people, the kind of lies, the kind of fabrication lie they can fabricate does not exist. The possibility that they went there and tell somebody and say, I want you to say, Ma, this house belongs to Maz. That is what they did. They think everybody's like them. Somebody say, because Maz say he will not have a house, he will not have. You think everybody's like you? That is what they did. They went to Kenya and they're not telling you, go to Kenya and then they will see. They go to Kenya and go ask. Yes, we know what you guys will do. Nigerian government, we know what they can do. We know what Nigerian government can do. They have gone to Kenya. They have gone to Kenya and bought a house and tell somebody, because that is what they can do. And this evil riffraff, the morons, cannot think outside the box. Think everybody's like them. They have gone to Kenya and they have paid somebody in Kenya and they have said to this person, please, this house, we want you to say it's Maznakan that owns it. This guy want you to say Maznakan that owns. Say it is them. Whatever you want, we give it to you. We want to destroy the image, reputation of this man. If they can go to Kenya and abduct him and pay how many billions? Is it a house they cannot be able to do? Is it a house they cannot buy? Is it a house the Nigerian government cannot buy and say put it on his name and say it belongs to him? Eh? Is it the house he cannot? That Nigerian government cannot go and bribe somebody and say, this house want you to be in the name of Maz. They now send their double agent in among IPU, among DUAS, ex-DUAS. They now send their moles and say, go there. This is the details of the house. Go there, you will see it. And somebody will go there and they write it. Yes, Maz cannot own this house. Did you go and ask him and say, Maz, did you own that house in Kenya? Did you ask him that question? And find out that if the house in Kenya belongs to him. Did you ask him? Did you confirm from him? If that house in Kenya that you guys are saying he owns the house in Kenya, he owns this, did you confirm from him that it belongs to him? Did you confirm before you come out and started shouting, and started making noise, and started screaming, and started talking rubbish? All the money we paid, what have you done with it? Or me, all the money I paid even the time of Simon, but did I even ask them to pay me back? The money that I contributed when I was with Simon, did I ask them to pay me back? I didn't. Me, I've been here for struggle. I don't ask for the money back. All because you are a hungry man, a wretched man. All of you are just wretched. You don't have money. That's why you can be able, you don't have a heart to give. The one you give, you are giving it with wickedness. Your heart is bitter. You don't give it with love. You don't give it because it's a seed you are sowing for your people to be free. You're not giving it with love. You're giving it with hatred. That's why that's why the money is running away from you, because you don't have a good heart. What kind of wicked and heartless people are you? You went to Kenya, claiming you went to Kenya to go and find out. But you've forgotten that Nigerian government is possible. What they can do does not exist. The kind fabrication, the kind lie, the kind thing they can do to destroy our leader man's image. A man had Jihanonu, a man who now freedom for his people. What they can do to make sure that your people didn't say that you love them, you want their freedom. Look at what they are saying about you. They don't even value you, so that he will say, I am done. Did you even find out, investigate it well? Because Nigerian government can do that and pay this agent in our midst, these moles, these traitors, and say, go there. It is the house he bought on his name, and they will firm it on him. Did you ask him, the house they're talking about, does it belong to you? Do you know? No. Evil souls. Continue. It will soon be over.
Just allow them, when you close up, allow them to be talking rubbish. So that's what I'm doing.
Okay, Barrister, thank you very, very much. There's something I want to touch, and I want you to throw a little bit light on it. We were concerned because from DSS custody, we were concerned about the health of Onyendu. A lot of people have also inboxed me, asked me question, this condition of his health, physically and otherwise, mentally and otherwise. Please, the world would like to know how is his health condition. Yes, the world is hearing you. Go ahead.
That's one discussion. Take this thing and take it. You cannot take anything from me. It's like, take it. Now bring down the camel is consent. Everybody, that's what go down. That's what go. You cannot tell me you will discover that. I was looking at this man. Wow. That's not the camel. If you don't have something, the camel has somebody with intelligence, 50%. I want to tell you now that his intelligence has increased up to 150%.
Of course, my brother Chidera Lucas, he said for him, same as Nankanu bought a house and open a company in Kenya, you will know who they are. Definitely. What else? What else that those gangsters, those gangsters that are saying Onyendu, and they are having a Mazen and kind of pictures on their platform, on their profile, and they are still listening to these evil souls. They are evil like them. It's only evil person who listen to evil people, because based on the same feather, that is what they are. If you have a good heart, you will know when somebody is we will know when somebody is lying to you. You will not only lying to you, you will know. They will come out and they must know that Mazna they can't do all such thing towards him. They will know. It is because they are paid. They are paid them. Nigerian government can do anything. Nigerian government can do anything to destroy the man that is holding them on the neck. That freedom of our people is what he need. What do you expect? And then also, they are also joining Nigerian government. And you are telling me that these people are fighting for our freedom. These people love Mazi. These people want Mazi to give account. These people want rubbish. All is lie. All is lie. These people does not want Mazi out. That's why they couldn't do nothing. And what they could do this time around is to go to Kenya to go and investigate, because Nigerian government told them, go to Kenya and bring all these evidences and show your people. They will believe you. They think we will believe. And you want Hanana. They think we are stupid. And you want Hanana. Also, ha je again, je with a bogo, not fighter jet, or private jet. And you want Hanana. We don't care. As long as Mazi still remain our leader and standing for Biafra freedom, we don't care. Mad people everywhere, the heartless human being, the traitors, most that have come saying they are fighting our freedom. Now it have cleared to your eyes. Now your eyes are all cleared that these people have nothing to offer you. They are all liars. They are evil. Evil impersonified. That is what they are. They have no truth in them. If they can travel to Kenya to go and get you and come back and be boasting it. Imagine telling you they want to cover up. They said because he did not tell us that he went to Kenya. He told them. He told some of them, because I remember when we were asking Keda Faya, China Sangoru was on the phone with the man and communicating with him on the phone in Kenya. He said, telling me he didn't. He was on the phone. Even he said it that time Mazi was kidnapped. He said it. He said he was on the phone with Mazi and the camp. He said it. So tell me how you say they didn't tell them. He didn't tell them. That's why they want to go, because they're angry. He didn't tell them. And so what? Is that why they have to go to Kenya? To go and bring all the rubbish they're bringing out and showing you, because they are paid. Nigeria have them to say, go and tarnish his image. We have a house we bought. There's a house we bought on his name. Go there. And then how did they know that Mazi bought the house? I'm asking you, how did they know? If not somebody tell them. Oh, God Almighty, I hate these people. How did they know that Mazi bought a house in Kenya? I'm asking you guys questions. Start to ask them this question. How did this evil soul, these traitors, this Indo beyond jaw, heartless human being, this spirit of Ifajuna possessed, how did they know that house belongs to Mazi Nandekano? As he said, they didn't tell them. They said Mazi did not tell them that he's going to Kenya. Okay, then how did you guys get no Mazi that house belongs to him? You guys should tell us. How do you guys know? You done investigation. Nigeria government, you are working with them 100%. This is fact. Whether you like it or not, you believe it or not, this is fact. You guys knew. You guys did not. You guys are coming here to fabricate lie, because Nigerian government have paid you all to be doing this to our leader. You went to Kenya to investigate a house he bought. You went to Kenya. So you went to Kenya. You started everywhere asking Kenya people. The whole Kenya. You know how Kenya is. Kenya might be a big country. You went to Kenya and you start investigating and you start asking Kenya people, please, if not that Nigerian government have bought a house and put it on mad and pay the owner of that house and say this house belongs to Nandekano. If anybody, we are going to send people to come, tell them that house belongs to Nandekano and come and give it to these people, they will believe. That is what you guys did. You are playing with our intelligence. It's the fool. You guys think we are fools? You think we are fools? Nigeria government Nigeria government have paid you all to come and tarnish Mazi Nandekano image, and you are now coming to tell us he bought a house. He bought a house in Kenya. He went to Kenya to go and sit with a woman. You forgot to tell the people that Mazi Nandekano was also sick. He went to hospital in Kenya. He was poisoned. You forgot to say that. You forgot to tell them. Tell us now that he was sick. He went to hospital. You didn't tell us that. All the one you want to come and tell us he went to Kenya to go and sleep with a woman, to go and buy a house, just to destroy him. You think we will buy that? We love him. 100% love. Whether you like it, you don't like it. You can't deter us from loving our leader. He's our hero. He's our savior. He's our everything. He's our liberator. Whatever you call, we do not care. He's all that we know. Ndo beyond jaw. We care heartless human being that love Igbo to continue to be suffering in the hands of Nigeria. Do you think Nigeria is favorable? That love Igbo because they have collected their own part of the share of money. All that should go and perish. All that should go, our people should perish. They should continue to be lavishing in poverty. You have collected their own share. You do not have a heart of your people to say they need freedom. You don't have it. You have collected their own share. So every other person, they should continue to rot in poverty. They should continue to be suffering. There should continue to be insecurity everywhere. They should continue to going through from driving here and there, they are dying of accident. That is what you guys want. And you are telling us without a mass, you are free, what you want is freedom. And without a mass, you can get us freedom. Look at Ndohi, criminals, thief people. Ndohi tikono. Ndege ego well like this grow. Nde Nigerian government grow your freedom. Una ne so ha, na ne follow her, na share, na dance. These people will give us DOS are wise. They will give us freedom. Without a Mazin and the canon, we will get free. They've started sowing a seed to tell you and say, hey, I had one. I will play the voice. Then he went to a program. Oh God. Are you guys normal at all? And one went to a program. After they have convinced the person, they asked the person, is it free? Who did you hear his voice? He said, no, what do you want? Is it freedom or Mazin? They say it's freedom. Biafra freedom. You get it without Mazin. You will get it. Who did you even hear his voice? Who is going to give you that? Did these people, where we are there, why didn't you go and follow Wazirike? But you follow Mazin and the Kano. Why did you follow him? Because of his integrity. You follow him because you have seen him. You have seen something in him. That's why you followed him. Why didn't you go follow Wazirike then? As you said, that Mazin and the Kano is you can't get it your freedom. It is you want Biafra. Why didn't you follow Wazirike? Why did you have to follow Mazin and Kano? Why didn't you follow him? Why? Or is Wazirike is not there? Or is it only Mazin that is asking for freedom? It's not only him. Why didn't you follow the one in Enugu State? What are the names? Why didn't you go follow them? But you stick to follow Mazin. You stick, and now these evil people, these moles in our midst, these people that have told you that Mazin Nandekano is without him, he can get him, they can get you as freedom. You don't need to listen to him. You don't want to. It is Biafra you want. You are all mad. The evil have possessed you all. The Nigerian government have diverted you whatever they want to. Instead of you to stick with your leader and fight to the end, because this is coming. We are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. But instead of you guys to stand and say no, because we guys have come to destroy. The spirit have possessed you. Evil souls have come in to destroy you. Now, Maz, is your problem. Come and give us account. We want to know what you spend the money on. Give us account. What a shame. What a shameful people are you. If you don't know, if you don't know, and tomorrow you have his pictures and you say this year, you are still calling him Onyendu. You are still calling him Mazin Nandekano. You are still calling him your leader. Do you know who is your leader? You don't have loyalty to him. You don't have respect to him. If you have a respect, you cannot be coming out to be talking rubbish against him. You can't do that. He's in prison. He's suffering for your sake, for the sake of your children. And all you do is to castigate him, call him all names, say all manner of things, talk rubbish against him, and you tell me that you get your freedom without him. I'm sorry about you all. Disgraceful, that is what you are. Different.
From section 1 to the last section. I'm going to the previous one. So there are other amounts that come out and the one talking about community, he has the sections, all of them.
Okay.
So when you talk about community sound, it is mental sound.
No, some of them are saying it's not mentally sound. Some of them are saying Maz is no longer mentally sound. Some of them are saying it's not mentally sound. It's not mentally sound. He cannot do nothing. It's not mentally sound. I say, okay then. You are the one mentally sound, isn't it? You that are outside, are you mentally sound? Some of them say he's not mentally sound. The decision he's making, people are making it for him. And this man, with who are you even talking about? Maz is not the kind of that people will make decision for. Are you guys normal at all? So all these years that he has been preaching on Radio Biafra, he has been telling you things. You think people will push him anyhow, that he cannot make a decision. He's not a man that can make a decision. He's there. A called God. In short, as he's there now, so isolated. This is even the time, when you are isolated, messages from heaven, from messages will come. Because you are now in a quiet place. Only you. And then you be getting even inspiration. You be getting inspiration on what to do. Kezi unu jeje na mountain. That's in a mountain. On a mountain. Don't you know he's in mountain? Who just say mountain, who just loneliness, where you go and hear from whoever you want to hear from. Don't you know Mazi is also in the mountain that he want to hear and he want to hear? The antenna is there for him to listen and hear. Hey, come on, you guys are so disappointed. Nigeria knows that you guys are just saying holy, holy, holy from out. But we have billions. We have millions. Okay, look, because you guys went to talk, you say, are you registered IPOP? I am IPOP on that oath. Old people like you, old people, oath my foot. What kind of oath did you guys take? Is it take oath? If you took oath, you can't do this. You will remember the oath you take and you say, no, I won't be part of whatever is going on. You will remember the oath you took because that oath will come after you. You say, no, I won't be part of it. You took oath. But you are among the people that is destroying your own leader. What is wrong with you? You took oath. And some of you are saying, I'm an oath member. People that are not even oath member are more loyal to him. They have seen his value. They have seen what he has to offer. They have seen the sacrifice he has done. They have seen how determined he is. They have seen how resilient he is. They have seen how courageous he is. And they are even not angry. They are so much angry with what you guys are doing online. People that are not even IPOP, they are angry. How much more than Zuzu? Call yourself, I'm an IPOP member. I am an autopilot. You're calling people autopilot. Autopilot, did they ever get a mass in Kano? The Simon Ekpa, the only thing Simon says, I'm not going to take order from him. Did Simon Ekpa ever castigate a man? Did he ever call him any name? Did he ever go to Kenya and investigate and brought out evidence, rubbish evidence, not fabricated lies that Nigerian government? You guys say Simon Ekpa is agent of Nigeria. What are you? What are you then? Are you not the agent? The real agent is you. Those people in DOS, SDOS, they are the real agent of Nigeria. You say Simon Ekpa is agent of Nigeria. And Simon Ekpa, did he ever, okay, even if he's pretending, did he ever call him as his name? Did he ever send any of his member, any of his autopilot that follow him to come out and be castigating our leader? Did he ever call him a Berima? Did he ever call him a criminal? Did he ever open mouth to call him name? Simon Ekpa is 100% honorable compared to you all. Useless people. That is what you are. Simon Ekpa killed our people. Simon Ekpa did this one. Simon, is it not you that caused Simon Ekpa to do whatever you can? Even Simon Ekpa didn't do much because now we are finding out that some of you, Chinas and Wodu, have also gang that is doing whatever they are doing for him. Tell me, you say Simon autopilot. Some of you will come there and calling me autopilot. Autopilot. Yes, Simon Ekpa was there as a child of necessity. When these evil souls of DOS, evil SDOS could not do nothing, Simon Ekpa came in as somebody that will say, yes, at least we have seen somebody that wants to leave this struggle forward. You guys say yes, Simon Ekpa did that. Simon Ekpa did that. Simon Ekpa did that. Did Simon ever open mouth to call him as not kind of criminal or Onyohi? Did Simon Ekpa open mouth to call him as not kind of any kind of name? Did he do it? But you that he appointed into office, you allow the people that you say you are leadership. You are leading them. The one they call no, they are leader of whatever they call themselves. All these family writers, family writers, family writers Ogiri and the market woman selling family writers. You saw them tarnishing him as name, destroying his reputation, saying all manner of things. Have you cautioned them? No, you didn't. And you are here telling us Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa was evil. Simon Ekpa did that. Simon Ekpa was that one. Simon Ekpa, he respected our leader. And so therefore, I respect Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa respected our leader. He never for once said any evil against him. But you that he was in prison. He was in prison, appointed some of you. And now he said he wants to appoint 100 men. And some of you are now saying 100 men will not stand. And we cannot let the 100 men stand because they are enemies of progress. They are agents of Nigerian government. That's why you don't want us to move forward in this struggle. If you are not agent of Nigerian government, tell me why you will be against 100 men. You say it will be like Simon Ekpa. How do you know 100 men? Are they 100? Are they only one person? How do you know they will be like Simon Ekpa? Simon Ekpa is only one. 100 men are 100. So all of them that 100 will come out and start killing our people? Is that what you are telling me? Are you mad or what? So all of them, that is 100 men, will come and start killing our people. Eh? Is that what you are? Because you are the only one that love our people, and the 100 men that is in also IPOP members are also wicked. They will come and start killing our people. Oh, come on! What kind of people are you? and some of you, the gangsters, you morons, you evil, you miscreants, according to, I'm calling you miscreant because that's what you are now clapping and saying 100 men will not stand because you need to do he. Ọ ihe unu na-eme agbata eke ego ụmụ ndị mmadụ na-atụta nke unu tụtara atụta kwuru na-asị ha nye unu back se nke ahụ nke akụ na-asị maazị na nka nye common 350 naira euro. Mad people everywhere. Simon Ekpa. Autopilot.
I understand. Yes. I know.
Of course, you should know now. So if I tell you that he is fully alive.
I understand that.
Taking his medications and managing himself, and also the only thing there is that he is focused in the struggle. He is committed in the struggle. And the federal government of Nigeria understand that. When the previous ones and the previous ones, they are confirmed because they are strike. Somebody who committed a crime. I'm not committed a crime. If you want us to dialogue, you need to hear. I continue with my struggle. All those things, there are some issues with me. There were some issues. You know the issues with me. I don't know those issues. All you are going to do is then now you come let us talk. So asking me that I should go and sign, you give me this amount, you give me this, you give me this. You are just wasting your time. I'm just telling you, they have sent people, especially now that people have been coming, so we tell you, and let us walk down see this guy. Can't you people advise you now? Let us affect the offer of federal government. I say, if you tell me that thing again, what I will do to you will hate it. Go to Sokoto and tell me, go and tell it by yourself. So that whatever thing you hear from me, you take it and go. Don't even tell me anything. So the point I'm making is that they have become and the position never changed. No amount of crude oil in Nigeria, no amount of precious stone in Johannesburg, no amount of gold in Saudi Arabia that will make my family to change position. That one is something that I can tell you for free. His position never changed. So that's the only thing I can tell you for free. So
thank you.
So on himself, just like I told you, of course, you don't expect somebody who is in a prison to be fully healthy.
I am aware.
You have one challenges or the other.
I know.
That doesn't mean that they are crippled down. They cannot be crippled down. All their plans, they were able to cripple him down. When he was in prison. When they are there, they don't allow anybody at all, except the two of us to see. Even when we are talking with people, they will do this and that. I'm done, man. The law.
Okay, Barrister, there's this question I want to ask you, please. I know that I promised to ask you only two questions, but some people we are trying to compare Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with Nelson Mandela, and these individuals that are one of the women that went to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and came out and started lying. I don't want to mention the name of that ugly woman here, but you know who I'm talking about. Yes. So there is something she said. Hold on, Barrister, 1 minute. Please give me 1 second, please. Just 1 second. There is something that woman said that got my attention. He said that Mandela spent 27 years. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Chetapa not so 5 years kino to Nanga. Like he's trying to remind Mazi that you have only spent only 5, but Mandela has spent 27 years. Like trying to let Mazi know that Nozo Katelaka, comparing him with Mazi, trying to weigh the restoration of Biafra that Mazi is fighting with apartheid regime that Nelson Mandela fought. And trying to weigh the weight of what Mazi is doing with what Mandela did. And even trying to match the years that Mandela spent and the one that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has spent so far. Now, What do you have to say about that particular woman? Because right now, the woman is now insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, throwing jabs on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying all manner of rubbish against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And you people were aware that she visited Mazi. Then I challenged her to visit Mazi for the second time because she went for the first time and came back and started lying.
You have landed.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
That woman, I spoke to that woman. The woman came one day in the federal court. So he said that she wanted to interview me. She wanted that she was videoing us inside court. That was all. So, and I don't know her name. So, wouldn't that be Mass gave up? Now that he has a command, if you want, I was the person that made an announcement that posted it to my page. That anybody who wants to go and see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should go and see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I even said I posted it. Many people were calling me. But if someone I want to escort me. I want you to escort. I said, no, don't go. When you get to Sokoto, pick a drop to call professional center. To take their phone, go and see them. So the woman now, some people were going there. So the woman now got a free ticket to go to Sokoto.
Oh.
He went to Sokoto.
So it was even free ticket. So she got free ticket self to Sokoto. But I thought she said she paid 500. Low life woman. The ugly woman association of an Igbo. Ugly woman association in an Igbo. I thought you said you pay 500,000 to go to Sokoto, and now I paid money. Nobody. So you went there free. You went there free. For not close at us. You see how they're lying. You see, she doesn't even have common truth. Or yeah, if we zook at one ugly face or association of woman, ugly association woman in an Igbo. Oh yeah, just got the ugly face. Have join for to come and say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you cannot do this. I thought she said she paid 500,000, so she went there for free. Oh, what could he go about ticket? No ego. Why can't the Nigerian government bought him, or Chinasa Nworu bought him from the money they paid them? Chinasa Nworu now? Possibility na Chinasa Nworu ya were ego Nigerian government nyere ha when you kwuo ya say na bia ka ije fight about this thing together. This man, we must bring this man down. He must not continue. Ebe odegoro anyị si anyị is pay individual that claim is our liberator, is our oppressor. If you're going to hold there, look at what he wrote. Na Chinasa Nwa evil, a faceless human being, a coward. So this woman herself did not even pay for her ticket. That she have done enough for maybe Biafra freedom. If Biafra freedom, that I should come and be sounding it. I'm doing it for my people. So this woman, they paid her 500. They paid 500,000 Ojiba ticket to Jet. According to her, she was saying to you that now Obegia Ojiba ticket to Weje. I came for now so no. Hey, to fear as a bakwa. As a ma Ojecha we protection as a word we see madam, you want more money. We are able to offer you more. If you can work on our terms and conditions, we are able to offer you more. What do you want the money for? We'll give you more now. We have collected enough money from Nigerian government, so we can give more to you. We're not finding people that will stand on our side to defeat Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's what happened here. A woman that can't even pay money to go. She can't even pay 500 to go to here. A low life woman is telling us, telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you must listen to us. You must listen to us. Me, nyawa bu ihu okpo. Nyawa bu na nya ka Mazi Kanu let's listen to. You can 500 only. Yeah, nyawa na sikwazi Mazi Kanu have do account for IPOP. He is not even an IPOP member, according to her. Somebody that is not IPOP member is not saying Mazi Kanu must come and do account. Hi, Chineke na biko mekwala m ebere. And some of you, ndị obi ọjọọ, people that cannot stand for justice. When you see injustice against somebody, when these evil souls ndị do as evil, ndị obi ọjọọ, ndị heartless people, they say ka ha, ndị obi ọjọọ, evil soul people that is in this struggle. When they were attacking Simon Ekpa, say Simon Ekpa, you are not a registered member, you are not an oath member. You guys were saying to Simon the same thing. So why now the woman that is not a registered member is asking Madam Yaoga, Kano, come and do account? She didn't even pay 10 kobo, she didn't pay. Or I see you do account. Then the woman no pay. She's even the one, they even pay her tickets to travel to go see Mazin and Kano. She didn't you haven't done what this woman have done, because this woman on a village, a village champion, on a village there. According to her, on a village, when I can advance everywhere. And Nigeria government, ESN is not the one doing the thing. We know that ESN is not the one. Though we have a bad egg that join ESN. I won't defend them, bad egg that join, because you guys push them down. So many people, some of them become bad eggs. So it is Nigeria. We know that Nigeria government are the one killing our people, because Nigeria government will go to our people places and start unlifing them and start doing all evil towards them. They have recruited Boko Haram terrorists and all the terrorists in the Nigeria army, and the Nigeria army are in our places because our people are asking for freedom, and they find a way to be unlifing them. And she go there and do video. I know that you Nigeria government, you are the one. Mr. President, you this one. And then you guys say she's one of us. She has come to fight for our freedom. I've been in this freedom for years. If you don't know, no. And I have if you don't know, no. About freedom. Not be today. Many people have gone and I'm still here. For the why I said I fight, but if you never that fight, yeah. The way more because such a freedom for my people. Hey. Many people have left though, and I'm still here. Still talking about Biafra freedom. Some people are telling me if you don't retire, they don't even this abuse, they abuse you, they enjoy ourselves, they enjoy it. They give you energy. I say I don't care. Someone say it to me, P. Are you all this abuse, they abuse you? Are you enjoying it? Say, yes, I'm enjoying it. I mean, sometimes myself, I will even there on my own, I'll be laughing. I'll be laughing. Because sometimes those abuse, they make me laugh. I'm telling you. Those abuse, when they abuse me. I would just say, look, if I look at all of them, I said, this is Garubo Coco. Biscuits, Moros. I would say, for God, then I'm fighting freedom. That's it. At least when I'm off, I see the thing. I'm going to take the talk. Because even to stay inside alone, it's not easy. I don't get children anymore. Why they do make food for? Like now, why are they off this time around now? Not be to come and talk about my people's freedom. What else will I do? This time, why are they off? When if I didn't want to go off work, I did work. When I'm off now, I use my time to be doing something important for my people. Yeah, something important for our freedom. What had in and now why that way time? Yeah, so make una no pity me the thing when they talk about me and they enjoy it. And they block them. Even when they block them, they have for that cat. Oh God, have mercy. Even when you block them, they have for that cat, they go still call. They go still call. Then maybe they like me. I think they like me. Even when I block them, they go still come. They like me. So say, nobody they listen to you. I say I agree. But you there here, want listen to me. You there here, you want listen to me. At least you don't listen. At least you don't read my post. freedom yeah, one day ya agaghị eji wee kọọ akụkọ ofu ụbọchị ya emezi oh, we don't finally get this freedom so Chineke bụ akụkọ mmeji ya wee kọrọ ụmụ si ala ọ dịghị izi sometimes ụmụ si mommy it is why you say I'll leave me alone, I'm enjoying it. Mother, don't worry about me. I am happy doing it. Oh, God have mercy. You know, man. I will go down, okay, but all the macamu. Laugh is medicine. Ai, eu cuidei, cai, me deu quase. Cai, me deu quase, e bate um quabo. Hi, nah, no worry about it. No, don't worry about me. Then I want to, I'm happy. He had them in the energy. I am coming out to tell them because when they will have, I don't know. And they must listen to the truth, whether they like it or not. Okay, play, my dear. You don't finish. I will still finish.
So you came out and start lying against mouth and start saying all sorts of rubbish. It was something that didn't draw my attention to it. I said, where is this woman coming from? So I listened to what the woman said and I drew a conclusion about that woman. And I have an opinion about the woman. I don't know whether the woman has a husband. Well, I don't know whether she has children. That one is true. But I doubt she's very irresponsible. Her faith doesn't show. In fact, that's the law. I'm a chief. I'm a traditional chief of my community. I have 5 people to title. My wife is the law. And there are some things. Somebody who call herself is the law. The law. There's somebody who call herself a woman.
Yes. Yes.
Don't ever go that side. I never come over rubbish because there are people that have husband, but they're not behaving like they have husband. So having husband is not the issue here. You understand? Husband or no husband, it's not the issue. The issue here is an agent of Nigeria government contracted by China someone evil na chicken edozigim. That is the thing. When we do it's not of our business. When there are people that are married, but they don't common sense. So we already, that is not the issue here. The issue here about that woman, not better for destroyer. He's a destroyer, it's not a mother. Mama, so that you teach your children the truth. Teach your children the truth. We grew up as a truthful person. Yes, I did it now. Let me do it. Mommy, why did you do it? Oh, I'm sorry, I did it and I didn't know why I did it. Mommy should have said, I said it now. Okay, I'm sorry. But this woman, one, destroyer, 2, evil woman, 3, 4, organization, ugly soul woman organization. That is 100%. Organization also one else no lead. Mwanya the kwakia, or the call the aporo, or the call the yakoba, or the call the agena haguru. Ndo to yabu, mwanya ho lead the kwakia. Ona hold the kahad. Una we are the John Joe. Una who be at the John Joe. Because my energy is my energy is a positive energy. I cannot work with such an energy. Those energy are evil spirit energy. I don't have it. My energy is energy of truth, energy of love, energy of speaking out the truth at all time and loving people. Energy of that woman is energy of evil. Energy of evil. Or the enemy. Because open all the enemy, or na fight mass in the can. Open on the I am not ready to do this. I can't fight this man. This man is in prison. This man is suffering for my people. Why would I join you to be castigating him, to be talking rubbish? ka unu je emezie ya emezie mgbe unu mara ihe ahụ ọ gwara unu mee ya ka ihe ọ gwara unu mee unu anaghị eme ọ jụkwara ha ajụjụ ka ihe this man gwara unu mee unu ọsị unu anaghị eme ya. So you want me to come and join you to fight this man? I can't do it because now that woman bụ evil woman, whether married or not married. There are married people that are very useless. They don't even think. It's like that. Yeah? It's a calculated plan. Of course, my dear Emeka. There are married people that have sense. That are married, that somebody married, that somebody is not married does not mean that person doesn't have sense. No. There's people that are single. They rule the world. There are people that are not married. They have their own organization. The people that are not married, they have sense. They know what is wrong and what is right. So married or not married is not this issue here. Please, enough. I don't like thinking out every time. Happy. That I know didn't behave the dress. Yeah. You see, because human being. No. Please. Only Kusnaka. You know, go. Some of our women in an abusive home, no abusive home. I had China, Nigeria, and Hodi, and nobody not by her, Makina, nobody, because now no stigma and wine this single or bring her job. It's not bad. You know, dear, my dear, happy. It doesn't matter. Because that some of our ladies are still in a married man, are still married, but the idea of suffering it because the word we say, Igbo, I say, respect yourself. Respect is a reciprocal. Respect yourself too. And stop from different man to another man. It's not man. It's not good. Continue. You go.
And I will not. Because if I should respond to that what that woman is saying, it doesn't mean that I don't have work. It doesn't mean that I have lost focus. I even know that my dear brother, I'm a senior lecturer. I'm a senior lecturer of medical medicine. So and I am working towards my professorship. I have many articles to write. I have many publications to publish. I have many books to write. I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of research to do. Because of terrorism was to do my master's. And because of that matter, I've done a lot of research because of the matter in appeal. Why should I leave it and be responding to what I need jobs?
Very idiot.
Somebody who has no honor or is saying on social media. My dear brother, I don't know whether you are under the matter.
Of course, for children, yes, of course, my children are in university right now.
Good. You know that as a man, there are something that you cannot come out to say. And when they say, people will laugh at you.
That's correct.
Come out to say something that you say. Say something that you say, people do.
Yes.
So that woman, I don't know the family came out for. And I don't want to respond to her. So in the first instance, one.
Hapụrụ na anyị ya. Ọ bụ because na some of ụmụada by nine side ha chọzi ịpụta. Ọ bụ na some ụmụada apụtago join amụ anyị etie ya amanwụ na-eti ya amanwụ. Onye ka ọ bụ the self? Onye ka ọ bụ na-etinyere a leader ọnụ? Onye ka nwaanyị ahụ si na ọ bụ dị ọ na-etinyere ọsụ na ọmụnye ka asụ na isibe onye eje esibi ejebe onye. Osibi ejebe onye ọ na-eje etinye a leader ọnụ. Onye ka ọ bụ? Because now Akubu paid agent. She thought she can now come and talk rubbish. Onye ka ọ bụ? A local champion dị ka. Local champion na village na control ụmụ nwanyị na-ere akara dị ka ya, ụmụ nwanyị na-ere ogiri dị ka ya. Ka ọ na-akọgheri, ọ na-asị na ya, ọ na-asị anyị na ya na onye ka ọ bụ? Ndị bụ Chimamanda ha, ma ndị bụ kedu afa ha ekwubeghị okwu. Kedu ndị a na-anụ dị afa ha anụ n'international community na-anụ afa ha anụ. Wee bụrụ nne ka local champion ka unu na-ajọ unu bubutere ya bịa akọba akụkọ na-enye unu isi ọwụwa local champion. Ọ bụ na ndị dịka Chimamanda ha ana-ama na ndị mmadụ na-anụnụ ha okwu ha anụ. Ọ bụ na ndị dịka Ngozi iwu aja na ha kedu ndị ahụ ụmụ nwaanyị ama a na-anụ okwu ha anụ local champion Nneka. Local champion pụtara na sị Igbo bụ Igbo ụmụadịkọ ha awụna na-awụ n'isi ka ụmụ nwaanyị ndị ọzọ bịa join ya m ka anyị tie ya mmanwụ ka ọ banye side etie ya mmanwụ tige a na-etigodi ya mmanwụ already a na-eti ya mmanwụ ya gbakwa n'ọsọ because o ketara ọsọ na maazị bụ ihe dịrị ya a na-eti ya mmanwụ onye ka ọ bụ unu ekwuzi n'okwu ya hapụrụ na anyị ụmụ nwaanyị bụ ụmụ nwaanyị ka anyị bụ okwu na anyị bụ nwaanyị ka o si n'osu ya bụ nwaanyị ka anyị bụ nwaanyị Igbo ọ na-apụta na-akọ rubbish o jiri eje mee o jiri bịa mee investigation journalist investigating journalist nke ndị BBC ka nke ndị ebe wee pụta nke BBC investigation journalist wee pụta wee na-asị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu we do what you said if not I will go and organize ụmụ nwaanyị anya bịara gị ndị mmadụ mama ya yaghịkwa join nwaanyị a gaba mama ya asị onye na fight na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nwa ndị ya join ya bụ ndị otu udele ha ndị oya nye ego Chinasa Nworu ha collector ndị oya nye ha ndị enyi ya o were 1000 euro 1000 naira 1000 naira that's all omeha organize mana agụ ọdị na village ha join ya buru placard say Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mana nwere some of them ya square is it Maazị Nnamdi Kanu do you want us to join we cannot join you ndị ma ihe ndị nwere conscience ndị ma the value of this man not ndị dịka ijele ha ndị dịka ya ka a na-akọrọ akụkọ biko ka kwuo okwu dị ndụ emechi this program
Yes.
Mandela was fighting a war against the people who have conscience. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is fighting a war against animals.
Animals in Nigeria.
Someone like President Buhari, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu told Malawi, for doing me this way, you will end up in jail. What is happening?
It's happening already.
I want to tell you, tell the entire world. To shoot down the people. There has never been anything that you told me that never come to manifestation.
Yes, correct.
No. And most of the times, I take my wife, I said, this guy is just right. Look at what he told me. And look at what is happening. Yes. Anything he told me, the thing was happening like that as this guy, he was saying to me. So, then that one is the one. Then two, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu has given me bullets. I don't know. My dear brother, I want to visit the Aero 5 in the ICPC. That was the last month, yes, before we were taken to court. I went there, the son, Honorable Bello, and Barrister Oban, so said that I should come. So we went to see the Aero 5. So we went there. Aero 5 told me that the Igbo person that he has respect for is Maazị Nnamdi Kanu.
No, no.
What they try, and if they cannot get it in the Senate, they are trying to bribe him with the money. I'm talking about the money. I'm talking about the money that a government can use to go for them. Yeah, true. Either that's or not. I am telling you. This can happen in a way because it happened in Kenya. Just that I have brought a car. I think I've been to this story before. They have brought a car to put him inside the car and fill the car. When police officer said, no, I am a Christian. This guy is innocent. This guy is consent. And that's why if people could do this thing, I will expose the people. That was what the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. And the police officer won't say this thing. Was the most Juno. You know, a Juno police officer don't talk.
Yes. Yes.
No.
So what are we talking about? And everybody, what of them, all of them who are conspiring against him, one of them who are conspiring, what how their life is going to end.
It will end in disgrace.
But I'm telling you what I know. I'm telling you what I know. I have studied that guy. That guy is constant. He knows what to do. And the government is hard and hard again. That's the only thing that has been. You know what them can have statue. Nobody will pass through to national statue and still be alive. I know what I'm saying.
Yes.
It will end in disgrace,
So my father told me that not every
It's not
every animal.
Barrister, so for M5, you may point here we saying that the only Igbo man you will respect for, Buma said that MNK, with all the hates.
You don't forget the Muslim. We have been set. You reply, be checked. I forget. But he still said Muslim is the only Igbo man or respected. Muslim not we are you know my how. Monos no Muslim can be the only Igbo man. Now they will carry this audio and say this barrister went to see Erufai. Oh, he went to see Erufai. Then Mano Hamabunda and then Japan and go now. So that mad dog, January go now. So opota, Ocho do ya trasi, Otobalo nasi, brainwash bono. That evil man, China sama evil, and do to ya. Now he's cabals. Haja Hanara Hanego na Zapota, Hadiagomandi. Ndi akara seller writers, akara seller gangsters, ndi na have ndi gangsters, ndi dead brain gangsters na fight freedom. Then I see, look at Mazina Kanu lawyer. Oh, he has gone to meet the head to fight. Yes, I did meet here. Oh, Madina meet on that case now. We want freedom. That is all Maz is asking for. And you guys know that what this man is saying is 100% that the British government, this Nigeria, is for their own selfish interests. Why can't you make everybody go their way? Can't we have how we reach out to people and tell them that this is what we are looking for? Now, he want to go meet Rufai. They have bribed them. As it is now. I'm going to now, as it is now, who is getting as charged? As it is now, kata na muna ono bunde maizibu ihe. Ajunu na say nde DOS and sport mazin na kanu. Do you think na had the whole compromise? Do you think na have na work for Nigeria agent? Nigeria na have Nigeria agent. Of course, we now igama na have here. This is a calculated plan. They plan it. They are Nigeria agent. As it is now. If they are not Nigeria agent, how come you in the Nigeria Kurubasara Mass is what they are doing now? It's what they are saying. It's what they are saying. If they are not Nigeria agent, how come they tell you that they went to Kenya to go and investigate? Because Nigeria agents have paid the Nigerian government has went and bought house in Kenya and then say it's not Mass that bought it. They are Nigeria agent. You know now, the Nigeria and make to destroy our struggle to destroy Mass is what they are doing. So tell me if they are not, they are guilty as charged, they're Nigeria agents.
Hmm? Yes. Yes.
But the people of government now, they have shown it, when you have a weapon, you come out, now resume your activity.
Yes.
What would have told Master now come back now? That's what they have then. Guys, we are ready to negotiate with you. Are you going to stop this thing? Let us do this and this and this and this. No, because you do that every time. That is it. So committed.
Committed.
We are going to say, I'm not going to do that thing. Why are they putting you too much? That first time that's going to be going to die because of this trouble. If you are talking about the 7 years, we are talking about somebody who has conditioned in life, who are prepared not to compromise position. So when you are saying to 7 years, somebody is telling that I'm ready to die here. If you are somebody who said that, can you go take my life? So as to give my food to somebody, and they are saying that the man, they are saying only for you. They go too much. Okay, let's go and say only too much.
No, the woman who said that Mazi is like a king there, that the Mazi is safe. The Mazi is safe. It's like that she that is outside here is not safe. Okay, when you go.
Responding to how do you want a barrister to talk about the ugly soul association of a woman in an Igbo? Ugly soul association in an Igbo woman. How do you want a local champion to be wasting his time? Local champion, don't take care. Local champion. Hey, you can't believe. That is it. The federal government are discouraging her. Agent of federal government.
They had to go to Sokoto again, which you cannot.
Oh yeah, yeah.
My brother Livingstone, please, if you have a question for our honorable
when I don't hear him, our leader is formidable. Our leader stands still. Our leader is sit there. Now see, no go do nka emo near chobu Biafra. Inugonu on atu negwu. You see nike, I ga-enwe mmeri. Anyị ga na-eti ndị mmanwụ ha kwesị iti ha. Ndị ụmụ ife ajụna. Evil spirit have possessed them. Spirit of ego have possessed them. Agent of Nigeria has lobbied them with ego ha fụrụ n'anya karịsịa onwe ha karịsịa freedom ụmụnne ha. So you don't listen to them. Don't give them any more money. They are anyị akpọgo ha bụzi X. Enweghị dịka ha. It's not like DOS are gone. Those members chicken edozi gimi na ndị otu ya na Chinasa Nworu and Abanya ha niile dị Azayuba and kefa nke bụ asị nọ nke bụ na nke osi nọ na media. What's the name of that one? They are all gone. We don't have anything to do with them. Mazda Kanubu Ebaiku. Mazda Kanubu Ebaiku. Ikudo with Maz, Ikudo forever. Don't ever listen to these people. I'm telling you, they will give you Biafra. It is them that will get Biafra. And they frame that no Fudikaha. They don't have anything in our brain. When I'm going to Mazda Kanu read all the book, Nigeria Constitution, also not to go Nigeria. He said it. That's why you put at that time and redo Biafra. How did he study? Also, you guys should go and study. He studied about Nigeria, studied about Britain, studied about the world. Or study go about their policies. He have studied them. So and he's still studying them because Kita is now on the mountain. Mas Nakani went to the mountain. You guys always say you want to the mountain to go and pray. He's in the mountain. See where he is now as a mountain. He's there receiving information, because antenna is now open for him to be receiving more information. The mountain. The mountain. Mas is in the mountain, communicating with you, Igbo, communicating with Chukwu Okabiama, communicating with the ancestors, communicating with more Ojibiowa, and now be here name. So una 100 men standing. 100 men will hear you. Call you make at this freedom. Can move forward? I'm waiting here natural. If you did there, some of them call me say move autopilot from now. From the beginning, I wasn't autopilot. I was a Mazda Kanu disciple. From the origin, Mazda Kanu was my leader. From the beginning, Mazda Kanu Kama. And then I can't know up to now. So Sabonaba wasn't my leader. Sabonaba was just a child born in necessity. They needed at that time. That was what Simon represent there. Because US then I knew that they are fair. I knew it that I knew it. More that time. Even after when I came out from Simon, some of them came and started telling me, can I come back to see come and join? I say I know they join, I know they go. I better stay on my own. I told them. Some of them contacted me. And now you have known that Simon Eba is not this. Can't you come to do us? Can't you come to our own? I say, I know they come, I know they join. I know they join any of them. I better do on my own. They look. At that time, anything about the man, I was sharing it. Or they caught, I was sharing it. I was doing my own thing. Until now, I've still seen the notice that, hey, this one now after my leader. I said, no, it's not going to happen. Hey, no be my leader. No be my leader, they go come against. Say, you know, go happen. Now when they from us in the now you are not there. We die here, we die here. or we there, we go die here. Or na copy or akụkọ. So that is the thing here now. Tomorrow, I think I say a day off. If they don't call me to come and cover shift tomorrow, I will come out again. You know go. Now me and we and them. I gonna make na-emekwa expose Nigeria. Mana ndị Nigeria agent anyị agwa ha na that na una bi no go area. Unu bụ ofe nkupu. They nwere ihe unu chi. Nothing. They have nothing to offer our people. They are just deceiving them. Ndị chọrọ ka deceive ha ka anyị deceive. Ndị chọrọ ka deceive ha o. Ndị nwere anya foresight ma eziokwu tie go 1 and 2 ma na ndị abụ ndị asị asị na ndị anaghị ekwu eziokwu na ezigbo asị ka ha na-asị. Tomorrow I will play that one a na-akpọ Osnafia Metusala play. I will narrate the thing okwu. Kwanu na asị na enwego ndị si na ha ga-enye ha the money back. Me, I'm ready to, if they say we contribute, I'm ready to contribute to pay that only hungry man nọ na Germany neje na charity neje another food ọ na-eri neje another government ni ọ na-eri. It doesn't no through that 350 ma because we wait there maybe no 10 euro every year ka ọ na-atụ. Maybe ọkụkọ that defense fund ọkụkọ here possibility na nwoke atụ ọ bụrụ na ọkụ defense fund ọ ka na-ekwu defense fund because defense fund with families how much 400 ọtụghị ya ọ gaghị atụkwa defense fund gaghị atụ ego niile ndị ọzọ which anyị nwa atụchara nwee ihe anyị jiri kpọọ those money because all ihe anyị ji eme for our freedom ọbịa. That man could not pay that defense fund. I don't think he paid defense fund. I don't think he paid other money. Ọ ga-abụ 10 euro maybe how many years ọ nọ na-atụ 10 euro a na-atụ 10 euro every month ka ọ na-atụ ọ ya ka o ji na-ekwu 350 because ọ bụrụ na ọ tụrụ defense fund ọ ya sị na ego ya bụ ego na mana ọ 350 ka ọ na-akọ ifere emeghị ya ego ndị ụmụ nwoke na-eji enye nwaanyị dash ya nwaanyị ka ọ tụrụ for freedom ka ọ na-shout na-emeke noise na-asị I want my 350 back. Shefu man onye mama na-enyekwa nwunye ego nri sef onye mama na-enyekwa nwunye ego nri ọ fụrụ na ego ji eri n'ime afọ nke inye nwunye ya ihe atụ ego eji nwaanyị akpọ nwaanyị baa na shop spend arịa ya ka ọ na-anara 350 ifere anaghị eme ya shefu ifere oju ọnụ ya na-ekwu ya na-asị I want my 350 back. I paid the man that kind of should give my money back. Shame all of them. Me, where even the time where I did with Simon, I know how much I contribute. I don't even ask them to give me back. Me have for 350, 350 euro. Go on, na. If you're me here, if you're an akuyiri, it's not have working. I'm a man. I'm not working. The only open a buru hanu to buru working. I beg not gonna come out. Catch you phone tomorrow. We'll do again. I go do my hair now. Bye. Take care. Help me share this program. As long as 9, Mazdan Kanu, the only exceptional Igbo man is our liberator. Whether Chinas and one evil, one demon, one Kwensu, or ugly soul man that is saying our leader, little did many realize that individual you see as your liberator is actually your oppressor. Look at him, Madinede. Bye. I don't talk tired. At your phone. We'll talk next time tomorrow by speaking Amarachuku. Take care. Tomorrow, I might put my number here. Guys, after I play that guy rubbish thing up, you can call me. They will talk. Love you, Monem. Bye. Take care.